Every once in a while, a product drops that instantly hijacks your social feed. Not because it's overhyped, but because your brain can't process what it's seeing. That's exactly what happened with the Antigravity A1. The moment people saw its footage, the reaction was the same everywhere. Wait, how is this even possible? And for the first time in years, the most talked about drone on the internet isn't coming from DJI. The A1 is the world's first flying camera built entirely around an 8K 360-degree capture system, and that single design choice changes everything. Instead of flying a drone and worrying about framing, angles, or the direction the camera is facing, the A1 lets you forget all of that. You just fly. The drone captures everything around it, and later, during editing, you simply pick the angle you want. Forward, backward, downward, sideways, even toward yourself. No more missed moments because you tilted the camera wrong. This freedom is why so many creators call the A1 a cheat code. A new category that feels shockingly free. What makes the A1 exciting isn't just its specs, although 8K 360 footage with multiple export formats is undeniably impressive. Its real appeal is emotional. Pilots describe the feeling as liberating, like exploring rather than operating a machine. Beginners love that the drone corrects itself and stays incredibly stable, while FPV pilots are baffled that the A1 can deliver FPV-style visuals without requiring FPV skills at all. Even travel vloggers are obsessed because a single flight gives them both horizontal and vertical shots, perfectly framed in editing. Online reactions show genuine surprise that such a tiny drone can create footage that feels so fresh and so different. It's almost like the industry has stumbled into a new era where presence matters more than piloting precision. The A1 isn't replacing traditional drones. It simply opens a door to a completely new way of capturing memories, adventures, and unpredictable moments like cycling, pets, or fast-moving action. DJI is watching and getting ready to strike back. Of course, once something goes viral, DJI notices. Leaks already confirm that the DJI Avata 360 is on the way, which tells you everything you need to know about how serious this new category is becoming. Interestingly, the two drones seem to come from opposite philosophies. The A1 is essentially a 360 camera that happens to fly. The Avata 360 appears to be an FPV drone that adds 360 capability. That difference alone means the A1 will feel calmer, smoother, and more automatic, while DJI's version will likely be faster and more manual. The A1 also has clever design touches, like retractable landing gear that keeps the camera's full 360-degree view unobstructed in the air. But it's not perfect. Battery life is average, especially compared to DJI's mini lineup, and 8K 360 footage demands heavy processing that requires a powerful computer. Stitching can produce minor imperfections on water, trees, or close objects. People who want flawless, cinematic, shallow depth of field shots straight out of the camera will still prefer DJI. A generational shift in drone filmmaking. Still, it's hard to deny that the A1 feels like the beginning of something big, a generational shift toward drones that prioritize creativity over control. For creators who want freedom instead of settings, travelers who want all angles, and beginners who just want amazing footage without stress, the A1 is almost unbeatable. And now, with DJI preparing its answer, the competition is about to get very real. If the Avata 360 can match the A1's freedom while delivering DJI's legendary stability, the entire drone landscape could transform faster than anyone expected. For now, though, the Antigravity A1 stands as the most exciting drone release in years, a flying camera that challenges everything we thought drones were supposed to be. If you love creative freedom, zero stress, and choosing your angles after the flight, the A1 is already the perfect fit. But if you prefer speed, control, and classic FPV energy, waiting for the Avata 360 might be smarter. Two different visions. One choice depends entirely on your style. Just when people were still getting used to the features of the newly released Neo 2, a wave of fresh leaks arrived, and they point to something far bigger. DJI's upcoming Avata 360 is shaping up to be one of the most ambitious drones the company has ever created. For the first time, DJI is merging two worlds, a full 360-degree camera system and a switchable FPV drone, all in one device. Early leaks already caused confusion. Back in May, photos circulated online showing what many believed was the prototype of the Avata 3. But now those images have been confirmed to actually show the Avata 360 caught in FPV mode. The reason no one saw the 360 camera? DJI designed a rotating gimbal that hides the bottom lens by flipping it upward for protection, a clever engineering trick that kept the camera's true capability a secret. This hybrid design makes perfect sense. DJI already dominates both drone manufacturing and compact 360 cameras. Creating a drone that can switch between immersive 360 capture and traditional FPV flight feels like a natural next step, especially after the Avata 2 set new expectations among advanced pilots. The leaks also reveal professional-looking promo images with the official name Avata 360, confirming two core operating modes. In 360 mode, both lenses point up and down to capture an entire environment with an invisible drone effect. In FPV mode, the gimbal rotates 90 degrees to reveal a single forward-facing lens for fast, agile flying. Even more exciting is the technology inside. Each lens is expected to offer a 180-degree field of view with 4K resolution, stitched together using AI to produce 8K 360-degree footage. That's a massive jump in creative power, especially for action sports and cinematic POV shots. In FPV mode, the drone may deliver 5K 60 frames per second video and 30-megapixel photos, while the full 360 system could support 120-megapixel panoramic stills. To handle this heavy data, DJI is reportedly boosting internal storage to 128 gigabytes, plus microSD support. The drone will also use the new O4 Plus transmission system to push range up to 20 kilometers, and flight time is expected to increase slightly to about 25 minutes. The Avata 360 isn't just about video quality, it's also packed with safety and tracking features. In stabilized FPV mode, it will use front LiDAR, rear optical sensors, and bottom infrared for obstacle avoidance. In full 360 mode, the lenses themselves may act as an omnidirectional sensing system, allowing the drone to detect and avoid obstacles in every direction. Advanced subject tracking, similar to what we've seen in the Mini 5 and Neo 2, is also expected. DJI is preparing a long list of combo options, ranging from a basic $500 drone-only kit to FPV-focused bundles with goggles, motion controllers, and extra batteries. Manual FPV mode will still require the FPV Controller 3, which should be sold separately. With a rumored release date around December 16th to 18th, DJI is clearly trying to beat the competition, especially after rival Antigravity pushed its own 360-degree drone launch to December 4th. The Avata 360 won't be for beginners. Editing 360 footage takes time and a powerful computer, and FPV flying always comes with a learning curve. But if the leaks are accurate, this could be DJI's most innovative drone to date, a new category of flying camera that blends immersion, creativity, and high-speed FPV in a single machine.